So hello guys, now I am showing you some important information about the sockets. Especially I will show you the sockets which are made in Germany but are still affordable today, so every tool guy can go and buy them because they are not cost very expensive, but the quality we like is here and nothing wrong with them. Guys, from the beginning I want to say that these sockets are not in the same level as high quality German tool makers, Stahlwille, Hazet or Gedore, but I am now repeating what I said in my previous videos. The high-end German tool maker sockets cost about 3 times more than these ones, and I am arguing here that these ones are not 3 times worse than the Stahlwille, Hazet or Gedore sockets. So guys, why to spend a lot of money when you can buy German tool with affordable and reasonable price? And our aim is to show you now, my personal aim is show you now and arguing that today German tools still can be found and bought for a very good price. So let's start here. Here it is Falcon. I already showed you in my previous videos. You know this guy. Then I will speak about this. This is EC-Werkzeug in German. So let's call it EC. Then I will show you this guy. This is Elora. Here you can see. Then I will show you this. This is Matador. And at least I will show you this guy, which is made by HECO. Here you can see. So guys, from my previous videos, you know that I am deeply happy with this socket set Falcon I have got from Germany, and I reviewed it in the previous videos, and now I will not speak about it. Let's start from this guy. This is Germany made socket, and this is made by EC-Werkzeug. I checked some information online, and this socket was actually made by Stahlwille, and then EC rebranded it. So this is a 19 millimeter socket, guys, and now I want to compare this 19 millimeter socket to the Falcon 90 millimeter socket. Please wait for me. I will now pick up. This is 17. I'm wrong now. I will pick up 19 millimeters and we'll come back. So guys, I am back now. This is 19 millimeter Falcon, and this is 90 millimeter EC-Werkzeug. And I want to say that I spent a lot of money for this, for this, and the differences are here. It costs more than this, but they both cost reasonable prices. At first we can see that both of them are made in Germany, but EC is a little longer. Here you can see it. This is longer. Also, when we look to the attaching points, here you can see how EC is the thicker So it means that this socket has more metal on it than this. Also, from the styling, here you can see the style. This is a rounded edge and this is cornering edge. So this is rough and this is very smooth. From inside I can say that EC's walls are thicker, but it has not flank drive, and Falcon has flank drive. So here are the positives for Falcon. And also I want to say that the thickness itself of the sockets, when we compare, it is noticeable that EC has more metal on it. So this is higher quality socket than this, but both made in Germany and both are available for very good prices. So guys, let's move on. Here is one of my favorite sockets, which can be afforded for very reasonable price, and from these tool makers I have counted at the beginning on the video. This tool maker is very close to the premium German tool brands, and some of the tool guys say that the Elora is at the same level with Gedore, Stahlwille or Hazet. And I can argue it because this is the socket which I like more from these ones here. This is chrome vanadium Elora made in West Germany, 23mm socket. Unusual finish for the German sockets. Here you can see this is shiny chrome plated. Main differences between the Elora and the EC. Here you can see that finish is different. Somebody may like satin finish, somebody may like chrome finish. Not a big deal. But the Elora has gripping points, but EC does not, and it is very important. These points often help you to work with greased hands, where the sockets which have no these points are slippery, and that's why the satin finish on EC allows you to grip it very good without these points. If the socket is made from shiny chrome, it must have the gripping points. So guys, what can I say? Here you can see the sockets from inside. This is 6-point socket, a new old stock, and it has enough metal on it. Also, the attaching point here is different against if we compare it to the EC Werkzeug. Here you can see how it is machined. Very good feel in your hand, and it definitely feels that is a premium quality tool. I am not saying it about this, which is high quality, and this is which is mid-end quality German tool, but this for me is definitely premium quality. So let's move on now and see this one. This is a Matador, one of the ugliest sockets from here, but Matador is definitely offering you much more than EC, for example, or Elora, for example. If you like satin finish on the sockets and also like to get some gripping points, you can go and check some Matador's old stuff. So guys, this socket is not very very beautiful, you know, but this socket in functionally, I think is one of the great, because it is my favorite satin finished socket, and also it has gripping points. So the combination of these two, and we got this. Guys, this socket is from the era when Matador really was making quality tools, and I am not that guy which is motivated to rate the tool. Is the tool beautiful or not? A tool is the tool, it is the metal, and it is not important it to be the beautiful. It is important it to have the quality and to work functionally for you. And I am saying that this socket is ugly, but this socket is very functional. Here you can see all the positives of this socket, and I picked it up from ebay.co.uk, and I'm very happy of it. And the last one I want to show you here is this big guy. This is number 50 West German made HECO. Guys, HECO is the second German tool maker which likes to chrome plate their sockets, and this is Elora and this is HECO. So, main differences in styling. Attaching points Elora has here, but HECO has here. I think that this is more functional than this, and now I will show what I mean. Here you can, guys, if we attach it to the ratchet, these attaching points are unusable. How can you use it? It takes very big effort from you. But if you attach this Elora on the ratchet, here you can see how it works. So attaching points are here in better place than in here. Excuse me, gripping points. Also, guys, I want to show you that the satin finish on the sockets are different. This is really, HECO is really true chrome plated, when the Elora still shows you some marks of machining and has its exclusive chrome plated finish here. Which I like more? I like more Elora. But it does not mean that HECO is not a good tool. In the sockets, I count it here. Elora is in first place. Then the second for me will be Matador. A third will be HECO. 4 EC, and 5th Falcon. All made in Germany. So you can see here how HECO looks. Very heavy socket. Metal is enough here, so I have nothing wrong against with it. If you like 100% chrome finish, HECO is made for you. Now, guys, let's attach these sockets on the ratchet and see how it will look. Will it wobble or not? So here you can see that HECO is attached very securely and it does not wobble at all. So definitely good for it. Then we can see Matador. Also, guys, zero playing. Here you can see how it is attached to the ratchet and zero play. Then let's attach Elora. And also very secure fit. You cannot hear any noise from wobbling. Then we move to on easy Werkzeug, and it wobbles. Not very much, but it wobbles. So it means that these sockets are much more quality than this one. I mean these attaching points. And at least Falcon ratchet and Falcon socket, it wobbles as easy. So guys, this was my little informational video where I showed you the tools and German made sockets which today are also affordable priced and available, but you must dig and find them in some sources. Also, these are unusual sizes. This is 23, as I already said. This is 25, and this is 29. Except with me that not very often socket sets include these sizes, so I have to buy them separately. So guys, hope this video was informational to you. Stay tuned. Very interesting stuff is coming soon. Thank you for watching and goodbye.